everyone, this is Maya and welcome to Real Maya channel. Today I've come up with a new recipe. I can call this as Indian pizza. So this is ginger plant and some chenna plants and lemon. Just I will throw whatever I cook in kitchen, some seeds into that, and it grows. Let's start the recipe. Ingredients. I've taken full bowl of dosa batter. You can check this in my channel soon. And this is tomatoes. I've cut them into round pieces, and even green chili I've just chopped into rounds, and some round cut onions and cilantro, and here it's salt and chili powder, and we need some oil. I've taken into the bowl. Let's start the recipe. I'm taking onion with the help of fork. I'm just going to rub the oil. The pan is getting hot, and I'm going to pour batter, dosa batter, onto the pan. Just spread it lightly and cover with lid and let it sit for 1 minute. Once little bit it gets cooked, we can see this changes the color and it becomes little bit translucent. Then I'm going to do the next. I learned this recipe from my older brother. He used to do and serve for me. I really used to love them, and the same thing I'm trying. So every time we feel like eating pizza, then we try to substitute with this. We can see some bubbles and steam coming out, and there are some bubbles all over. Now it's time to place our veggies. I'm going to take some tomatoes, and some onions, and some green chili and cilantro, and I'm going to sprinkle some salt and chili powder. Even we can use the chili flakes, and cover with the lid and wait for few minutes. After it gets cooked, just try to press all the veggies. And try to apply some oil. This is done. Let me take this into the plate. And let me try one more. Indian pizza is getting ready. We don't have to apply oil every time. Just it has to be little bit oil onto the pan. That's good enough. I'm going to repeat the process. It's half cooked and I'm going to add some tomato slices. And I'm going to add some onion. And some chopped chilies. I've added some flakes. So chili flakes looks good on this. And some cilantro. Cover it and simmer it. Then after one couple of minutes, just press them. Just we need to wait for a few more minutes. It looks good. So we call this in India, South India, Uttapam. It's ready. It looks so nice and colorful and very tempting to eat. You can eat as it is or you can eat with chutney. I like eating as it is, and I'm going to go for taste test and let you know. It tastes so good. It's crispy on backside and soft, and the taste is too good. You should try this out. If you like my recipe, share with your friends and subscribe my channel for new recipes notifications. Thank you for watching.